Hello viewers, welcome again to the MOOC course on Internet of Things, Design, Concepts and Use Cases. In this video, we will learn how to interface the temperature and humidity sensor, that is DHT11, to our Arduino board. Now, as you are seeing that this is your DHT11 sensors. Here we have three pins. One is your ground, another is your VCC and third one is your signal. VCC is your 5 volt and it will be connected to the Arduino board with the VCC pin. As you are seeing with the Arduino board diagram, that how the VCC is connected to the 5 volt pin of Arduino, ground pin is connected to the ground pin of Arduino and the signal pin is connected to the 7th pin. It can be connected to any pin of this digital input. We can show the output of this sensors from the Arduino either in the serial monitor or we can show the output in the LCD display. You have already come to know that what is LCD display. So, you can check the output in LCD display or in the serial output, serial monitor output, that will be your laptop monitor. So, here we are showing that how the LCD display can be connected, and in LCD display we have the 4 pins. Here we have the 4 pins. One is your VCC, another is your ground, third one is your serial data line, that is your SDL, and fourth one is your serial clock line, that is your SCL. So, 4 connectivity is there and these 4 connectivity we will be connecting to the Arduino board as and when we will require that. So, first of all we will see that how practically DHT11 sensor can be connected to the Arduino board and how the output is coming to the serial monitor. So, let us go to the programming now. So, now I have opened the software for this DHT11 sensor with Arduino and I will show you the hardware as well as the software, that how we will set. So, this is the Arduino and we have just connected, as I have told, this is the VCC wire and it has been connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino, and this is your ground terminal and it has been connected to the GND. It has been written in Arduino board that GND and we have connected to the GND pin. And the third one, that middle one, is your signal pin, and this signal wire is been connected to the 7th pin. It can be connected to anywhere in this digital inputs and I have connected to 7th pin, and this 7 we will set in our programming also, DHT11 pin as 7. Now, let us see in programmatically how will we set. So, first of all it has been written that it is including the library, because you have already come to know that how to include library. So, I have included df robot and underscore DHT11.h. So, this is your library for this DHT11 sensor, and df robot is the manufacturer name or the company name of which this sensor has been produced. After that I have written df robot underscore DHT11 DHT. This DHT is a variable or the object name of this library. So, we have declared that DHT is the object name and this object only we will use in the subsequent programming. Now, I have defined that DHT11 pin as 7, as I have told already that the signal pin I have connected to the 7th pin. So, that is why in software I have recognized that DHT11 pin as 7. Now, in the setup program, as you already know, it has been told that how we set up the baud rate. So, this is the single line to set up the baud rate, that is serial.begin 9600, and this 9600 is the baud rate. Now, you come to the loop programming. In loop programming, what we have done, DHT, this DHT is the object that we have already made as DHT. So, we are using this DHT only. So, DHT dot read and DHT11 pin, because we have connected to the 7th pin. So, the output will come from the 7th pin, sensor to 7th pin of the Arduino board, and from 7th pin it will come to the serial monitor to show the output. Now, we are seeing that serial dot print temperature, serial dot print the value, that is DHT dot temperature. Next is your serial dot print humidity, that is under the code. Code means it will be as a just text, and then it will show the value of the humidity with the DHT dot humidity, and after that I have given delay. Delay 10,000 millisecond means only 10-second delay, and after that delay of 10 second again it will be repeated. Now, you already know, because in the previous videos you have come to know that how to connect the port and how to verify and how to upload. So, before that let us connect this USB port, and we will see that how this setting of this port and the Arduino board, that as you are seeing that already Arduino Uno is connected. Now, this port is already connected as your COM8. Otherwise, if it is not connected, then you have to set up this as a COM8, right. Now, we will verify it and we will upload it and we will see that output. Now, let us verify this. It is giving that compiling sketch, and when it will be verified, it will be written as done compiling without any error. You are seeing that it has been written as a done compiling. After that, we will upload. Now, let us upload the program. So, it is uploading. During uploading also it will compile and it will upload, and when the uploading will be done, as you are seeing, it is giving that done uploading. Now, as we have given in the program, that is serial dot print, that means only the output will come in the serial monitor. So, we will see the monitor here, serial monitor, and we can see the output. As you are seeing, that temperature is 23 and humidity is 95, and after 10 second again it will show automatically in a loop that what will be the temperature and what will be the humidity. If it is varying, that means I am sitting in a one room, and if we are moving to somewhere else, one room to another room, or you are going outside, then automatically you can see the difference in the temperature and the humidity. Now, we have seen that how DHT11 sensor can be connected to the Arduino programming and how the output can be shown only in the serial monitor. Now, we will see that same program we will run in Arduino programming, and we will see that how output can be shown in the LCD monitor. Now, this is the program. As I have already told you that df robot underscore DHT11 DHT, that is we have defined the object DHT, but before that we have to include another library for the LCD monitor. So, we have included liquid crystal I2C library, and also as before we have included df robot DHT11 library. Now, here also we have defined the pin as your 7 as we have done before, and we have discussed that in the previous programming directly we have shown the output at DHT dot temperature or DHT dot humidity, but here we are taking two variables as HUM as your humidity variable, that is float type, and temp variable for the temperature, it is also float type variable. This is just another way of doing it. After that, we have initialized that LCD, that is liquid crystal I2C, as 0 cross 27. 0 cross 27 is its address, and the object is your LCD. The name is your LCD we have given, that is the variable name. LCD is the variable name, and 16 defines that the 16 columns, and 2 defines that 2 rows. That means in the LCD display, so this is your LCD display, it means that there are 16 columns and there are 2 rows. Now, come to the setup. So, when we are coming to the setup function, we are initializing LCD Why we have taken LCD? Because we have taken LCD as your object, right. LCD dot init, that is initialize, LCD dot clear, that means we are clearing that, LCD dot backlight, that means we are giving the backlight of the LCD. After that we are giving the 9600 as a baud rate, and we are starting, that is LCD dot begin 16,2, that means 16 columns and second rows, and we are initializing LCD also here. After that you come to the loop function where the actual programming will be written. So, DHT dot read DHT11 pin, we have written that pin number is your 7, and DHT dot temperature we are saving in the temperature variable, and DHT dot humidity we are taking into the humidity variable. Now, you can see that what is the difference, because in the LCD display we have the 4 wires. One is your for VCC, another is your for ground, another is your for SDL, another is your for SCL, as I have told before. So, these 4 pins are connected to the Arduino board again. To the SDL we have connected in the A4, and the SCL we have connected to the A5, and otherwise the VCC is connected to the 5 volt and the ground is connected to the GND. Now, again we are coming back to the software, that serial dot print, we are printing in the serial monitor as well as we will be printing in the LCD. So, we have given serial dot print temperature, serial dot print temp. Temp is the variable where the DHT is giving the temperature value to temp, and after that humidity also we are printing, we are taking delay of 5000 millisecond, that means only 5 second. And after that we have to set the LCD. So, we are taking LCD dot set cursor, that means we are setting the cursor point at 0, 0, that means only the first row and the first column. After that we are printing the temperature, and again we are giving that LCD dot print temp, that is variable we are printing. Then we are setting the cursor in the 0, 1, that means in the first row, but the second first row and the second column. So, again we are giving that LCD dot print humidity and LCD dot print HUM, that is your variable. Again we are giving the delay, after delay we are giving that LCD dot clear, that means again it will clear the LCD and again it will show you the value. Now, let us run the program. Before running, as I have told, it is very much important to check that whether it is connected to the COM port or not. So, it is Arduino Uno, it has been selected, and since our USB port is connected, so it is giving that port COM8 is connected. Now, we will upload or we will verify, you can verify or you can upload directly also. Now, let us give the upload command, because during uploading it will verify, it will compile as well as it will upload the program. Now, first of all it has compiled, now it is showing that done uploading. Now, we will see in the serial monitor that what it is giving, the output. The output it is giving as temperature as your 22 degree and humidity as your 95. So, after 5 seconds again it will upload, and same way in the LCD display also you can see the output as your 22 degree centigrade and humidity as your 95, and after 5 seconds again it will be refreshed, it will be cleared, and again the final value it will be shown. Since I am sitting in the constantly in one room, so that is why the output it is showing as your constant, that is temperature as in 22 degree centigrade and humidity as 95. So, this is all about that how DHT sensors can be connected to the Arduino board and how we can see the output as your in the serial monitor as well as the LCD display. Thank you so much.